We moved into the van about 2 years ago. We were both working corporate jobs in Los Angeles and decided we needed a change. We took the leap to pursue this full time.
Beside me, wake the morning, ever after, day reborn in oh, we're taking the high road. I'm setting the sun, I'm ready to run, I'm walking a tightrope. I give you the fall, spring singing a song, we're taking the high road. We're taking the high road.
So for us, the best part about living on the road is really the freedom and the community. No 2 days are the same, and we meet people from all over the country and all walks of life.
To really enjoy a lifestyle like this, it's important to be comfortable with change and content with just a few simple things that make wherever you are feel like home.
Traveling makes us feel much closer to each other and more connected to the world around us.
And we really try to appreciate every day on the road because honestly, every day is a new adventure.